I would rather call a girl beautiful or pretty, rather than hot or sexy. No matter how talented you are, not everyone is going to like you, but that's life. Stay strong. Think before you speak. Your words could hurt someone's feeling more than you intended it to. Be humble, be grateful, give back, share, pay it forward, chase your dreams, go for it, and take a moment to remember where it is all from. I'm telling you people, every day we wake up is another blessing. Follow your dreams and don't let anyone stop you. Never say never. If you don't dream big, there's no use of dreaming. If you don't have faith, there's nothing worth believing. I learned if you have $100 or $100 million, if you spend more than you have, you're going to go broke.